What Campfire guitarist doesn't love an easy two-chord song? Today is no different. Easy to play and a really beautiful song to sing. Let's go. Hey folks, it's Dean again and welcome to this week's lesson. Today I bring you a great song from U2 called 40. Now this song was first recorded in 1983 on their album War, and it is probably most famously known as their live concert closing song. They play this, it's got a very long outro, the crowd chant the famous words as the song tapers out and as the band leaves the stage. Anyway, I chose this song because it's really easy to play, two simple chords, plus I just really love the melody and the lyrics. It's just a great song to sing, and everyone sings along with it. Now, before we get into it, the quick story about the song is when they were writing it in the studio, Bono was sort of struggling for inspiration for the lyrics, so apparently he reached for the Bible for inspiration, and Psalm 40 was the basis of the lyrics of the song, and that is why the song is called 40. Right, let's get straight into the lesson. Before we do it, you know the story, guys. I'm a left-handed guitarist, and I'm playing on a right-strung guitar, so all my chord finger patterns will appear upside down to you, but don't let that worry you because I put the chord patterns there, and as long as you get your fretting fingers in the right place, you can play along too. Right, the chords for the song, super easy. I play it in the key of D and in a G. But it can be played in multiple combinations. You can do it in E and A, or you can do it in a G, key of G, and a C. Look, I'll put all the chord transposition options in the song sheet that I do for the song, because I put out free song sheets for all of my song lessons, so I encourage you to go check them out at my Patreon page, details below. That I've got the chords, I've got the lyrics, and all the chord transposition options for you to use, so you can build up your songbook just like I'm doing with mine. Okay, I'm going to do a quick playthrough so you get to see how the song's played, and then I'm going to break down the strumming and break down the chords. The key of D. I waited patiently for the Lord, He inclined and heard my cry. He brought me up out of the pit, out of the miry clay. I will sing, sing a new song. I will sing, sing a new song. How long to sing this song? How long to sing this song? How long? How long? How long? How long? Sing this song. Set my feet upon the rock, made my footsteps firm. Many will see and fear. I will sing, sing a new song. I will sing, sing a new song. How long to this song? How long to sing this song? How long? How There you go, real easy. Look, the chord's not much to show you there. It's a D and a G. All right, just back and forth. D, chord patterns on the screen, G. Okay, the strumming pattern is quite a nice smooth strum. I'll do it for you now, and the pattern is up on the screen there. So it's a So let's break that down. On the D, I'm starting on the key of D. Down, up, block, down. That's the first part. Down, up, block, down. And what's a block? A block is just a palm mute where you are down strumming and then you're blocking with your hand or the inside of your palm, like that. So practice a block. Hear the block? Down, up, block, down, and then I'm doing a up, down, up, block. So the first part, down, up, block, down, and then up, down, up, block. Now the bits I've got in the brackets up there, they're the two little up-down strums as I'm transitioning between the chord changes, and I'm literally not even fingering the fretboard at all. So let's hear that part. As I transition to the chords, you'll hear me take my hands, you'll actually, and I'll overemphasize it with my fingers here, I'll actually take them away from the fretboard as I transition between the chords. Hear that little bit? That's the bits in the brackets as you move between the two chords. So that's the strumming. Just practice that. Start real slow and then just build up the tempo. It's actually not a fast song, so you should be able to get this one reasonably quickly. But it's a beautiful song to sing, as you can tell, and work on that strumming, and then you'll have it nailed. Hey, thanks for joining me once again, guys. I really appreciate your audience. I know you've got a lot of choice on YouTube. So part of my gift back to you guys is the free song sheet. Don't forget to download that, plus all my other song tutorial song sheets. They're all on my Patreon page, details below. I encourage you to go there, download them all, and build up your songbook just like I'm doing with mine. So folks, if you got value from today's lesson, then please remember to give me a like and do subscribe below. And as I always say as I finish my videos, don't forget Campfire Guitar Hero, where all you need is a few chords, in this case 2 chords, a few friends, maybe a couple of drinks, and everyone's a rock star.